Alright, so today I will teach you how to use the movie making app you will use for your persuasive video. I have chosen iMovie for the app because it is really user friendly and it has a lot of different features that you can use, and it's not too much to where it's like overwhelming, and you can make it simple or really cool, or just whatever your skills. You don't really need any background skills, but if you do, you can also play with it. So let's get started. First, you have nothing in your library at all in the iMovie library. So you're going to want to click this little plus sign up here that says new. And then you want to create probably a movie just because you can edit it more. This trailer is more of a template and you kind of have to follow like their template, and it just doesn't really fit for this project. So we're just going to show you how to do a movie today. So you can pick from any of these themes. I'll just do no theme for our purpose. And then save it as something, so sample video. Alright, so now you want to put stuff into your library, and you do that right here. So you're going to click import media. Alright, and I'm just going to show you stuff that I have on my laptop right now, just in order to show you exactly how you make a video through this app. So I'll click this video to import, so I'll import that, and then I'll import something else, and you go to this arrow up here to import. And I'll just do like this picture for you so you can see. So right now these are in your library. Okay, your library is not the stuff that you're making in your video. That's just stuff that you can put into your video. So I'm going to put in this picture, and so you want to click this. Oh, oopsies. You're going to click and then drag it down here to this is where your video will be. Okay, so for pictures you just kind of click and drag, but for videos you have to crop them for however you want. You can either you click the wherever you want to start, and then you just drag it to wherever you want to end. So if you want to end at the end, then that's fine. Or I'll just do like a couple seconds for you to demonstrate. So you click and drag. I'll do 5 seconds. And then you click this and drag it either in front or behind or whatever you want. So I'll just do behind. Okay. So if this is your video and like you haven't done anything to it at all, this is what it would look like. So I'll play it for you to show you. So it just zooms out.
Today I will be teaching you about subject-verb agreement. I've created this chart for you to reference if you ever get lost.
So that's what it would look like. It's just basically putting the picture and then it switches to the next screen. So I'm going to teach you some different editing things that you can do to make it look cooler. And what you're going to do for the video clearly is like you'll just make a bunch of different clips of videos to use for the bigger video. So you'll just import all the different clips, or if you have pictures too, you can do that. And you can, for free, you can make, or never mind, sorry. So anyway, what we're going to do is first go through this little microphone is where you can make a voiceover. So if you click that, you just like start here, and then you'll say record 3, 2, 1. Hi, my name is Afton. Okay. So then once you play it back, hi, my name is Afton.
Today I will be teaching you about
that is how you add like a voiceover. Okay. So that's a voiceover, and you can like play around with it and like make it shorter or longer or whatever you want. Or you can delete it and create a new one. So that's how you do a voiceover. And then over here you can see you can add transitions. So in between each shot, if you want to add like this is pretty cool. So I'll add that right here. Okay, and let's see what that looks like for you guys to demonstrate it. Hi, my name is Afton.
Class, today I will be teaching you about subject-verb agreement.
So you saw how that worked. Okay. So you can add transitions in between each video or whatever you want. Okay, now here you can add a title. So let's just say we'll add a title at the very beginning. And you want to change the text, you'll say, just click up in here, and I'll just make mine sample video. Okay, and you can do whatever edit to the text you want, and I just did expand, but they have a bunch of different things you can do with it. So if you want to see this, it'll just kind of fade in, and then it'll go to the next thing.
My name.
So there, back at the beginning. Okay, now this is basically just a feature where you can add in like a map. Not sure if any of you would use that for this, but it's kind of interesting. So basically you just click and drag like always. My computer is buffering. Uh-oh. Yeah. Okay, so and this is more of something like that you can have a voiceover to or whatever. So anyway, I'm just gonna delete that for our purpose because there's no reason for that probably for this project. The iTunes button is basically so you can add in music if you want from your library. So if you want that, your iTunes library will like show up right here. Sound effects, this is kind of cool. So you can go through and just, they have different time lengths on each one, and you can just play them and see the alarm. So there's a bunch of different types. And so I'll add in an alarm for you guys to show you. Oops. So for this same thing, you can add in however long you want. So you just kind of crop it. So I'll add that in right here. And it goes like over like a text or a picture or something. So I'll show you what that looks like.
Hi, my name is Afton.
See? Okay. So, anyway, let's move that back to the beginning. And then this is just like a different app to get your music from. So anyway, that is how you add in like different content. But here is just like, basically this is kind of hard to do. So I don't know if any of you would want to do this, but it's just basically color matching, and that's more of like a high-tech thing that you probably don't need for this video. And then this little paint brush here shows different effects that you can use for like lighting and you know, like saturation and color balance. So that's for like a picture or something. And then this is cropping, so you can crop like a picture or something like that. And then this video effect is basically just like as you can see, it changes the color. It's kind of hard to tell with that picture just because it's black, but it's basically just like photo edits. Alright, so then after that, this is the video altogether. I'll show you.
Hi, my name is Afton. Class, today I will be teaching you about subject-verb agreement. I've created this chart for you to reference if you ever get lost.
So that's the whole video altogether, and then in order to share it out, you just click the share button at the top, and you can save it like as a file, or you can put it on YouTube or email it or something like that. So anyway, that is how you create a video with iMovie, and if you have any further questions, please let me know.